Good day, my Stitchy family, and welcome to my channel Stitcha-Rella. Today I'm bringing you another fabulous unboxing from Newcraftday. That is www.newcraftday.com. Guys, before I talk to you about Newcraftday, remember we are doing the draw now for the 3 lucky receivers of $10 voucher. So 3 of you will get a $10 voucher. I will send immediately after this video the email to Newcraftday and they will contact you and give you your voucher. That voucher does not expire. You can use it whenever you want. Not a lot of people send me the emails, but everyone that did, I've got it. I'll show you and we'll do it quickly. Now, Newcraftday is a fabulous shop. They are super quick with their shipping. Their products are amazing and their website's very organized. Also, remember, Newcraftday has got a very active Facebook page. Go look there. They post all the collaborations, pictures of what we open, what we do. So go and have a look. It is fabulous. Alrighty then, so I told you they sell our favorite cross stitch, all the newest beaded cross stitch. They sell diamond paintings and paint by numbers. They also do customization. Don't forget about that, guys. They also have all the tools and accessories you can ever dream of and more. Now that's not all. They also do things like tattoo stickers, the weaving series, epoxy molds, fire paint seal series, and the scrapbook series. Now if you want to save a little bit more at Newcraftday, you use my discount code, which is RELLA10 for 10% off. And also if you buy you can get buy over. No, that's not what I mean. Free shipping for over $59. You see, this Afrikaans brain don't want English today, but that is absolutely fine. Now the good news is, it is Black Friday today, and guess what? You can still get your Black Friday specials. So on the screen, you are seeing the Black Friday specials. It's still on for almost 4 days. So, if you spend $30, automatic $5 off. Spend $50, automatic $8 off. Spend $70, automatic $12 off. Spend $100, automatic $20 off. Spend $150, get automatic $30 off. Spend $300, you get $60 off. That is amazing. It is amazing. That discount is automatic. Now, you can also use the Black Friday code for extra 10% off, but it's the same as my code. You can do whatever you prefer. The code for the Black Friday discount is BLACK10. I will leave everything in my description box so it's easy for you to find. Alright, so are we doing this first or that first? Okay, let's leave this for now and let's do this first. Now, I had problems with the phone today, you know. I just can't get that spinner thing to spin. So there's not a lot and I decided to do it like this. So there's just a few people that send it to me. It's Paula Christina, there's Emma Orchard, the Wishing Well Farm, Mariangle Lucille, Sanya Quinn, Wasifa and Melissa Wilson. So I'm gonna do this in little balls. I like little scrap papers and put it in my tupper. I'll do it in front of the camera so we can get our 3 names. I'll open them and I will email Newcraftday still today and they will get back to you. Alright, so let me just, so not a lot of people sent in. I don't know if it was a problem, I don't know. So people, this is everyone that was interested. Let's do this. So it's not a lot. Let's mix them up. I can't see in the bucket. Okay, there's 1. Oh, I missed that one. There's 2. There's three. There's our three lucky $10 winners. All right. Ta-da-da-da. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's use the lucky winners. This is real old-fashioned draw. But it's so little. I promise you guys, you should have entered. All right. The first $10 winner is Marie-Angel Lucille. Lizzie Wizzy, I almost gave an email address and that's not cool because it's on here. So Marie-Angel Lucille is our first winner. I shouldn't have balled it up so much. Paula Christina, my friend, there you go, second one. And the third one is keeping us here. Emma Orchard, $10 voucher for those three people. Congratulations. I'm sending your emails. It's Mariangel. I don't know how to pronounce your name. I'm so sorry. Mariangel Lucille, Paula Christina, and Emma Orchard, my Stitchy sisters. All right. So congratulations, guys. You've won a $10 voucher from Newcraftday. All right. So now we're going to open a beautiful stitch. And before I do that, I want to ask, if it's the first time you watch my videos, please hit subscribe if you want to. It's for free. And by doing that, you motivate me to make more videos for you, of course. Then also hit the like button and leave me a comment. I will personally get back to you. All right, so we are opening a spring pattern. You saw it there, and I think this is beautiful. Now let's go. So with your spring pattern, you get a reusable plastic envelope. And if they're plain like that, what does it mean? It's not printed with that fancy green stuff. It means you get normal cotton with it, not Egyptian cotton. Now, the front page is beautiful. It is fantastical. Alright, so it's 11 count, 60 by 60 centimeters, 217 by 217 stitches. Very, very pretty. There's your pattern. Let's see the colors. There's 37 colors, way more than enough to make a beautiful, beautiful stitch, and its quality, it is spring. Then you get an A4 instruction leaflet. There you go. And let's have a look here. Now, you guys know by now, spring puts their Adas in a separate bag, and this is the part you really don't want to get wet. Because why? You don't want to get it wet because this is the important part. If this gets wet, you do not have a stamped cross stitch anymore. It will wash away and make your heart very, very sad. Okay, so look at this. So of course there's a lot of black chosen the picture. It's gonna look fabulous. Now it is serged all the way around for our convenience. The printing is nothing but excellent. It's the Spring brand. It's the 100-year celebration. They are older now. 217 stitches by 217 stitches. And you can use Google Translate to read all the instructions there. All your symbols are printed very, very clear on this canvas. Amazing. Let me show you the print from close-up. Amazing, right? Amazing. Nothing but amazing. I absolutely adore this one, to say the least of it. I just want to see, yeah, there's something else I've missed. I've missed something. I just see that now. When you buy for Black Friday, guys, guess what? I missed something. Let me get there again. you get a blind box for free. So you get a gift as well. Don't forget, if you buy, you get all that discount, the automatic discount, you get your 10% off, and you get a blind box. And this is still valid for almost 4 days. That's fabulous. So this is really, really pretty. I absolutely adore this. Really nice, beautiful quality. I just want to, why am I doing things like this? I don't know. Because it's Friday. And it's Black Friday. Yes. Okay, so let's have a look. As you know, there's a lot of black. And there's a rubber band that's broken. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 extra skins of your 310 DMC code. It's black. There you go. Excellent spring quality. Now look at these colors. When I saw these colors, I go, oh, my Stitchy soul. Ooh, it's pretty. You get your 2, is there 2 or 3? I can't see. I'm going blind. 2 excellent spring needles attached to your color card. Now look at these colors. They are to die for. Look at this brightness. Very beautiful product this. It is fabulous. Amazing. Really, really pretty. And here's the last card, 31 to 37. Gonna have fun with this one. It is not difficult to stitch. It's a fabulous product. I absolutely adore it. It is amazing. Alrighty then. So while I pack away, I wanna thank Newcraftday. You guys rock. Thank you. These products are amazing. Your customer service, everything is amazing. Thank you for being so freaking cool. Then to you, my viewer, before I say thank you, I just want to congratulate all 3 of our $10 winners. You will receive your prize on your email address that's given. If they verified it, you've got to open an account with them and you will receive it directly from Newcraftday. Then, now we get to you, the most important people in the room. Thank you for always watching and supporting me. It really, really means the world to me. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Please go and make use of all this beautiful Black Friday goodness. Till next time, lots of love, Stitcha-Rella.